Oh, you're here. What perfect timing. I was looking for a guinea pig to test out a new experimental spell I've been working on. No, you have to go. Princess Presley's newfound freedom has inspired you to seek freedom yourself. Well, I guess you do have a point. Freedom is really important. I think that, I'm sorry. How rude of me. It's just. Oh, isn't it funny how yawning can be so contagious? And when we yawn, it relaxes our eyelids and makes us feel heavy and drowsy. All this yawning makes you feel like taking a nap. Watch me yawn. And picture yourself just letting go. It doesn't even matter what I'm saying anymore. My voice and the yawning is all that matters right now. And every time you yawn, you become more drowsy and sleepy. So drowsy, so sleepy. Don't fight it. Don't resist. Allow the yawning to take over. Eyelids so heavy and needing to close. Needing to fall asleep in 3, 2, 1. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good. Deep in trance and ready to help me with my experimental spell. Now, feel the relaxation flowing down through your body. And as the body begins to feel warm and comfortable, just imagine that you can rise above your body and float right up to the ceiling. Yes, my spell has given you this temporary ability. Just float all the way up to the ceiling and back to your body again. And imagine sinking deeper and deeper down into a calm and peaceful sort of feeling. A calm and peaceful sort of feeling. And again, float up and out of the body, up to the ceiling. And imagine you can turn around and look down at your body lying there, so still, so calm, so relaxed. You can look down and see yourself, and notice, perhaps, a delicate silver cord from your physical body, leading up to your ethereal self. The cord is attached to your physical body and your ethereal self, and the cord itself has the ability to stretch as far as it needs. It also has the ability to shrink as small as it needs to. So, know that at all times you are safe, you are secure, you are comfortable. Now, move around the clarity room. Look at items here in this room where you are. Your ethereal self. Notice the furnishings, the colors, the walls, the floor, the ceiling. How many people are here, and what are they doing? Anything else here in this room? And know that at all times you are safe, you are secure, you are comfortable. Discover that your spirit and body can move through solid matter like doors and walls with no effort at all. And find yourself outside on a warm summer night in nature. Listen to the stars. Watch the sound of a gentle breeze. Hear the flowers and plants whispering to each other. Smell the effect of the relaxation in your body. Allow yourself to float up, over, and above the room where you were, up into the late evening sky, above the cloud formations, into the heaven below. Look down at the earth below and notice how small and insignificant it all seems. You're floating higher and higher and higher, and know that at all times you are safe, you are secure, you are comfortable. And feel yourself being drawn up into the night sky, with the shining stars and full moon illuminating your view. And now, go higher and higher and higher. Good. Now you're floating above the glittering forest and the village. You can see everything now. Nothing can hide from your vision when you're in this state. And so, I want you to find the evil fairy Lily. Yes, you need to find her and let me know exactly where she is. Good. Float above the glittering forest now and find her. Yes, you can see her now. Find her and tell me exactly where she is. Yes, find her and tell me exactly where she is. She's hiding at the southern edge of the forest, by the weeping willow tree. I see. Very good. You've done so very well. You've made the Rose Witch very happy. Now, if I don't get you back to your body soon, Lily might detect your ethereal self and realize what we're up to. So, it's time to return to your physical self. Become aware of certain sensations in the body and feel yourself whizzing and whirling ever so quickly and smoothly back to that other you. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, bring your awareness back into your body, and know that at all times you are safe, you are secure, you are comfortable. Now feel yourself being drawn back into the physical self. Your body is heavy as lead. But in a moment, when I count up to 3, you'll find normal sensations returning to your body. You'll be wide awake, refreshed, and relaxed. 1, 2, 3. Wide awake. Good job, my obedient guinea pig. You've helped me locate that evil fairy Lily. I finally have the element of surprise on my side. Well, I'm done with you, so you can leave. Wait. First, I'll reward you with a deep sleep trance. Listen to my voice and my very special countdown. 10. Eyelids heavy. 9. So heavy. So very heavy. 8. Eyelids tired. 7. So tired. So very tired. 6. Eyelids sleepy. 5. So sleepy. So very sleepy. 4. Needing to close your eyelids. 3. Too heavy. Too tired. Too sleepy to keep open. 2. Stop fighting. You have no energy to fight with. 1. Time to sleep. Sleep. Eyelids closed. Sleep. You are fully asleep. Deep asleep. But you are still able to hear me and follow my commands as my voice drops you deeper, deeper and deeper into trance, deeper down, deeper down, deeper down. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Falling even deeper now, as each word that I say pushes you further down, as my voice drops you deeper, deeper and deeper into trance. Deeper down, deeper down, deeper down. Sleep, sleep, sleep. deep asleep for the Rose Witch. So very deep asleep for the Rose Witch now. Good. Now listen very carefully to my commands. You will not inform the evil fairy of what has happened here today. This is a secret between you and the Rose Witch. Listen again. You will not inform the evil fairy of what has happened here today. This is a secret between you and the Rose Witch. Such easy commands to follow that you can't help but to follow them. You will not inform the evil fairy of what has happened here today. This is a secret between you and the Rose Witch. Listen again. You will not inform the evil fairy of what has happened here today. This is a secret between you and the Rose Witch. Good. My commands have been implanted into your mind, so it's time for you to leave me. When I count to 1 and snap, you will be transported back into your bed so that you can continue your deep sleep for the entire night. Oh, and before I forget, if you haven't done so already, you will subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will be taking over this channel soon, and so I want you to be subscribed when it finally becomes mine, Manessa's World. I love the sound of that. Returning to your bed as soon as I snap. 3, 2, 1.